Random pick or bad February Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you want to know how to do this viral add your sticker and where to find it, and this is the video for you. So first of all, you have to go to your Instagram app and then click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you have to go to January, add yours at highlights, which is here. And here you find the first add your sticker. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you don't have to worry, because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below where I can help you on fix your add yours button if you are not able to click on it. And also, if the highlights are not loading, I also have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. So now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a random pick, or you will have a bad February. So I'll go with this photo. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and share this with your friends. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, you can turn on the notification bell and you will be notified once I will post another video like this. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, have a great day, bye bye.